Health insurance in 2026 feels more confusing than ever. Premiums keep rising, coverage rules keep shifting, and customer satisfaction across the industry keeps falling. Then there's Aetna, backed by CVS Health, a brand promising stability, affordability, and integrated care through one of the biggest pharmacy and healthcare networks in the US. They advertise seamless service, insurance, pharmacy, and telehealth all working together. But in reality, does Aetna truly save you money and stress, or is it just another corporate health plan with great marketing? Let's find out if Aetna is really worth your money in 2026. I've reviewed dozens of health insurers over the past few years, from Blue Cross to United Healthcare and Kaiser. For this analysis, I've focused on Aetna's latest 2026 offerings, including their Medicare Advantage plans, employer-sponsored coverage, and their recent withdrawal from ACA individual markets. I also looked at customer feedback, financial ratings, and how Aetna's partnership with CVS Health actually impacts members day to day. What I found was a mix of impressive progress, smart integration, and some frustrating limitations that could matter depending on who you are and where you live. Aetna and CVS Health make three big promises. Claim number 1: quality plans at competitive prices. Aetna highlights its high Medicare Advantage star ratings, strong preventive care coverage, and affordable premiums, positioning itself as a top-tier yet accessible insurer. Claim number 2: pharmacy and health integration. Because CVS owns Aetna, members supposedly get a smoother experience: prescription management, MinuteClinic visits, and Caremark pharmacy services all under one umbrella. Claim number 3: national reach and reliability. With a long history and solid financial strength, Aetna claims it can offer consistent coverage nationwide, backed by the massive CVS Health ecosystem. So, are these claims actually true? Let's examine the evidence. Plan quality and ratings. In 2026, Aetna's Medicare Advantage portfolio continues to perform well. About 81% of members are enrolled in plans rated 4 stars or higher, and 63% in 4.5-star plans. Preventive services, wellness programs, and telehealth integration get especially strong marks. Market availability. However, Aetna has officially exited the ACA marketplace in many states for 2026, meaning individuals and families shopping without employer coverage will no longer find Aetna options on healthcare.gov. That's a major drawback for independent consumers: network coverage. Thanks to CVS Health, pharmacy access is excellent. Members can refill prescriptions, check benefits, and use in-app pharmacy delivery more easily than most competitors. Still, provider networks can be narrower in certain rural areas or smaller states. Some members report needing to switch primary doctors or travel further for in-network specialists. Customer service and claims. Aetna earns average to good marks for customer support. Members appreciate the modern online portal and CVS Caremark integration, but mention slow response times and confusing claim communication. The experience varies sharply between Medicare Advantage and employer-based plans. Corporate clients tend to get faster help. Costs and value. When paired with CVS discount programs and wellness rewards, Aetna can be very cost-effective. But if you use many specialists or out-of-network services, copays and out-of-pocket maximums rise quickly. In other words, its value depends heavily on staying within their ecosystem. Financial strength. Under CVS Health, Aetna maintains solid A-level credit and stability ratings, signaling it's financially sound and able to pay claims even in volatile markets. So is Aetna worth your money in 2026? Yes, if you're a Medicare Advantage member, an employer-covered employee, or someone who values pharmacy convenience and preventive care integration. The experience is smooth, the plans are well rated, and CVS support adds real value. Maybe not if you're self-employed, buying individual coverage, or need an extremely broad provider network. Aetna's ACA exit limits options and out-of-network costs can offset the savings. In summary, Aetna remains one of the stronger, more stable insurers in 2026, but its performance depends on your plan type and location. For Medicare Advantage and employer plans, it's an easy recommendation. For individuals seeking flexible private insurance, it's worth comparing alternatives before you commit.